Hi, today I want to talk about something that makes me deeply angry, deeply sad, and honestly, it's very tired. I recently saw a post on Facebook where a young woman was brutally murdered, her bones were broken, her life was taken in the most inhuman way possible. But what shocked me even more than the crime itself was the comment section of that post. Instead of asking how can we ensure the justice, instead of saying punish the criminal, people started questioning like why was she like this? Why did she go there? Why didn't she listen to her parents? Why did she have a boyfriend? And just like that, victim was put on a trial. This is called victim blaming. Let me say this very clearly. Victim blaming is when we question the actions, clothes, character, choices, or freedom of the people who was harmed instead of holding the criminal responsible. And हमारे देश में especially when the victim is a woman, this happens almost every single time. I am a woman, I understand this very well. If a woman is assaulted, her clothes are questioned, her character is judged, her freedom is blamed. If a woman is murdered, her relationships are attacked, her upbringing is blamed, parents are blamed, choices are blamed. But the criminal, suddenly people of our country become silent, or worse, they try to even justify him. What they say, let me ask you something. If you have honest answer, tell me in the comment section. Does wearing short clothes give anyone right to the assault a woman? Not even the boyfriend has the right to murder or kill a woman. Does going out at night make someone deserve death? Really? Do you really think that? No, it's not. No habit, no relationship, no lifestyle choices gives anyone the license to torture, assault or murder any human being, not the woman, not the man. आई एम बीइंग अ जेंडर न्यूट्रल हेयर. मैं यहाँ पे औरतों की ही बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, आदमियों के साथ भी सेम है. ए क्राइम इज़ अ क्राइम, ए मर्डरर इज़ अ मर्डरर, a assaulter is the assaulter. End of the discussion, no more question. I am here calling out the dangerous mindset of our Indian people. This is so sick. This is a very dangerous mindset in our society. If she had behaved properly, this would not happen. Let me tell you the truth. It is very harsh and some people even get offended. Crimes does not happen because women have freedom. Crimes happen because these kind of shitty criminal exist in this world. If a blaming woman could stop crime, India would already be the safest country in the world. Because I am telling you the answer, because सालों से ब्लेम औरतों पे ही जा रहा है, बट कोई चेंजेस नहीं आया है. सारे कंट्रोल करके देख लिए गए, दुनिया भर के ब्लेम करके देख लिए गए, बट हैव यू एवर सीन एनी चेंजेस इन द क्राइम्स against the woman? No, it's not. But it's not because blaming the victim does nothing. It's nothing does. Every human being has a right to live safely, love freely, walk without fear in his own country, make personal choices. Women are not public property. Women are not family honor machines. Women are not responsible for controlling men's behavior. If someone commits a crime, their fault lies only 100% with the criminal, not with the victim, not with her clothes, not with her past, not with her choices. I am giving a message to the commentator of this Facebook post. This is very useless and बहुत ही इरिटेटिंग लोग हैं. रियल लाइफ में कैसे डील करूँ मैं, मुझे नहीं पता. बिफोर राइटिंग अ कमेंट लाइक शी डिजर्व इट, दिस इज़ व्हाट हैपन्स. गर्ल्स लाइक दिस शुड बी टॉट अ लेसन. अच्छा हुआ, बहुत अच्छा हुआ, यही होना चाहिए था, मेरा मन खुश हो गया. एंड और कमेंट्स थे लाइक ऐसे लोगों के साथ ऐसा ही होना चाहिए, माँ बाप की नहीं सुनोगे तो ऐसा होगा, and blah blah blah. There is no ending of the comments. You can see in the picture. People, please remember, you are not supporting justice, you are supporting a violence. You are normalizing the cruelty, and one day this mindset can hurt someone that you love. कभी किसी आपके अपने के साथ भी हो सकता है. Justice always begins with the truth. Punish the criminal, not the victims. Blame the actions, not the existence of the victim. Protect the humanity, not the criminal. If you truly want a safer society, teach the boys accountability, teach them respect, demand strict punishment for the criminal, whether it's men, whether it's women. Stop justifying the violence against whether it's men or whether it's women, because silence, excuses and victim blame only help one side, the criminal. If you agree, skip up. If you are angry, channel it into awareness. If this message touched you, share it. Let's stop blaming the dead and start protecting the living. थैंक यू सो मच. आई होप ये मैसेज आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा मैं क्या कहना चाह रही हूँ. एंड बिफ़ोर आप मुझे कुछ भी नॉनसेंस सा लिखें तो आप ये समझ लें कि आई एम बीइंग जेंडर न्यूट्रल हेयर. मैं ये नहीं कह रही हूँ कि ओनली मेंस को ही पनिशमेंट मिलनी चाहिए. नो, इट्स नॉट. क्राइम किसी भी जेंडर के अगेंस्ट जस्टिफाइड नहीं है. अगर कोई बाहर जा रहा है अपने घर से तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि किसी दूसरे पर्सन के पास राइट मिल गया है. कोई आदमी एटीएम से पैसे निकाल रहा है तो सामने वाले के पास ये राइट नहीं होना चाहिए. उसको इतना कानून का एंड लॉ का डर होना चाहिए कि अगर मैं ऐसा करूँगा तो मेरे साथ ऐसा हो जाएगा, मुझे कानून सज़ा देगा. तो लॉ जो है स्ट्रिक्ट होना चाहिए एंड फियर होना चाहिए क्रिमिनल्स के माइंड्स में. दैट्स ऑल आई वांट टू से. थैंक यू सो मच. इफ़ यू लव दिस वीडियो, लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड इस मैसेज को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा स्प्रेड करें ताकि जो भी नेक्स्ट विक्टिम कभी आपको दिखता है तो उसको जस्टिस मिल सके. थैंक यू.